Good morning, Warden Hill, and welcome back. I hope you had an amazing Easter break. I know mine was amazing. Went down to Cornwall, enjoyed the weather, enjoyed being outside, and I enjoyed being active. Well, that's interesting because that is the theme of our assembly. Let me share my screen and let's carry on thinking about being active. So welcome back. I'm glad you've all come back safe and ready to learn. You're refreshed and rejuvenated. Up, inspired. Well, so let's start off with thinking about clang. And in your minds, can you think about what we use this acronym for? Right, I can see some of you almost wanting to shout it out. Connect, learn, active, notice, give. These are the 5 areas of well-being and mental health. That's really important that we do these things to be happy, healthy children. We need to connect with our friends. We need to talk and listen to others and share their joy. We need to be active so that we have a healthy body and a healthy mind. We need to take notice of the things around us and enjoy in front of us. Live in the present. Other mindfulness types of lessons that we've done before. Learning. Well, we're all learning because we're at school and we love to learn. It's part of the Warden Hill way. It's our passion. We all try our best. And give. Give your time, give your words, give your presence. Really give to the moment. Now, today, we're going to be looking at being active because this can help us move to being happy and healthy. And I hope if I was to ask you how you were feeling, you'd all be showing me now the thumbs up. Go on then, show me how you're feeling right now. If you're happy, thumbs up. Yeah, okay. Thumbs down. 3, 2, 1, show me. Amazing. Well done, everyone. So many of you put your hand thumbs up, which makes me really happy. So I want you now in your own mind to think about how you can be active, how you can complete exercise, how you can get your body moving. I'm going to ask the teacher to stop the video for 30 seconds. And can you think in your own mind, no calling out, no saying it, in your mind how you can be active. Pause now, please, teachers. Welcome back. What ways did you come up with? Let's see, when I remove this square, a rectangle, if any of the ways, it didn't come up. Never mind. Maybe I didn't animate it properly. We all make mistakes. Mistakes are allowed. That's okay. Don't worry about it. We can move on. Right, let's play a game of would you rather. Thumbs up for this side and thumbs down for this side. Would you rather play for England rugby or England football? So if you'd rather play for England rugby, thumb up. If you'd rather play for England football, thumb down. 3, 2, 1, show me. Ooh, lots of football. I've gone rugby. Is it the same? Interesting. Brilliant. Let's see the next one. So everyone quiet. Are we ready? Would you rather win the Tour de France, or would you rather win the Olympic 100 meters race? Tour de France, thumb up, or thumbs down for the 100 meters race? 3, 2, 1. Who agrees with me? Who would love to be a Tour de France winner? Okay, wow, lots of you want to be 100-meter sprinters. Interesting. Okay, would you rather win Wimbledon and the tennis championship that held in London every year? Or would you rather be part of the Ashes winning team of cricket? So, do you want to be representing your country in cricket, or would you like to win tennis at Wimbledon? Tennis or cricket? 3, 2, 1. Ooh, I'm not quite sure there, a bit of both. Excellent, well done. Now, lots of these are about thinking about dreams and goals and being really active. Now, let's start to think about what you would like to be active. Would you rather cycle your bike, or would you rather go on your scooter? 3, 2, 1. Ooh, quite a lot of scooters. I'm quite surprised. Well done to you There's no right answer. It's all opinions. And opinions are important to share with everyone. So I would rather ride my bike. Great job. Would you rather rollerblade or go on a hoverboard? 3, 2, 1. Right. When I was a teenager, I used to do loads of rollerblading. I thought I was really cool. It's a great way of being active. It's a great way of traveling really fast. And it's really good exercise. So I wonder if any of you have got rollerblade. A lot of what we've been talking about, in yourself a goal to become a Wimbledon champion or the winner of the Tour de France. You've got to set yourself targets and goals to reach it. We talked about at the start of the year in January about the goals that Mrs. Flukes and I had, what we were aiming for, whether it was a 10K or a marathon, that you have to be smart. It needs to be a specific goal. I'm going to run the Snowdon Marathon. It needs to be measurable. Well, compete in the race. It needs to be achievable. It needs to be able to get there. So I can already run a marathon. Can I run a mountain marathon? It needs to be realistic, and it needs to be within a time frame. So I'm aiming to do it this summer. So it's really important when you're setting a goal that you have a step. You might be working towards being the Wimbledon champion, but for that, you might want to be the house champion at school in tennis, or you might like to be the under 10s champion at East Gloss. These are targets that you need on the way to having that overall goal of being Wimbledon champion. Now, what will you choose to be active? Will you choose park run when it comes back? Will you choose going back to your football team? Lakeside, Southside, Leckhampton, Charlton Rovers, loads of local football clubs out there. Do you want to go and join them? Get involved, be active. It helps our well-being. It helps us feel good. Going in Cheltenham Harriers for athletics, going for hikes in the forest, or Cheltenham swim team, or even just going out for a family bike ride. These are all things that you can choose to do to be active, and that will help your well-being. So I'm going to ask the teachers now to stop the video. And whilst you stop the video, I want you to discuss with the person next to you what you want to do. How are you going to be active over this next term? Pause. Welcome back. What did you choose then? I reckon lots of you chose riding your bike. I'm seeing so many of you on your bike, and that is brilliant. Well done, Warden Hill. Now, this whole being active assembly has led really nicely into a competition that we're going to be doing as a school. It's called the Big Pedal. And the Big Pedal runs from the 19th of April to the 30th of April. And we're trying to be as active as possible. And we're going to record it in school and enter it into this big competition. So I want as many of us as possible riding our bikes, walking to school, getting on our scooters, because we'll collect all that information and enter it into the competition. Now, I'm going to show you a video. So I'm going to stop sharing this screen. And I'm going to go onto the YouTube so that you can see the promotional video to inspire you about the Big Pedal. Yeah, the Big Pedal. Wow, 76 world records. Well, absolutely fantastic. Really pleased. And that music is making me excited too. As I come back, we are. A little bit of a technical issue there. But out of practice of recording our assemblies, it's going to be a really fun and engaging competition. And it's helping us get fit, which is absolutely amazing. So I hope you and your family can commit to riding your bike, scootering, walking to school, but also adding those 30 minutes of exercises outside of the journey to school. I'm really proud of all of you. I'm so glad you've had a great Easter. Welcome back, and I can't wait to see you as I walk around the school. I've done more than help.